Hello everybody. This video is going to be about sending bulk emails or doing a mail merge using Google Sheets, a Gmail account and app scripts. It's going to be very easy and very straightforward. It will not require you to install anything or add anything that is not supposed to be in your PC or your device or uh, everything's done online, everything's on your browser, and the app script that you will have to use will also be made available to you in this video, so you can just copy paste it. Okay, before I get started, obviously you need to know how this works. So I will show you or take you through briefly on how this works, and then let's do it together. So firstly, you should obviously have a Google Sheet where you will list your emails, recipient names, and an empty status column for the app script to tell you that this email was sent or not, and a button for you to trigger the script or trigger the automation. And then the mail details will be the email body over here and the subject. And then this is the app script that you will copy paste. So over here we are also attaching the uh, file that needs to go in all of the emails. And this is the line that will personalize the email saying dear the person's name. And this is where the fetching of the emails happen, and emails and the uh, res- sorry, yes, it is where the email fetching of the emails happen, emails and the person recipient names. And this is where script will update the status column saying the email was sent, and when everything is done you will get a pop-up saying all emails sent in your um sheet. Okay, that is basically how this will work. So now let's start implementing this in a brand new sheet. So let me go create a brand new sheet now to start from scratch. I will call this sheet uh, emailer for the video, emailer for the video, and I'll just copy paste the content from here now. That way it's easy for me, and I'm going to make sure that I use the same worksheet names so the script when it's copy pasted doesn't cause any problems. Just like that, just copy paste it. Okay, so the sheet's ready. Let me just close this. And to create a button, you will have to just add a drawing that looks like a button. Let me add it over here. Sorry, where is that thing now? Send emails. Let's bold it. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Save and close. There we go. We have a button. Now, before we assign anything to the button by clicking on those three dots, we need to first create our uh, script. So for us to go create our script, we'll need to navigate into extensions and then click on app scripts. It's loading for some reason. There you go. So, uh, and yes, it will show you that you've opened your app script using the particular email that you're using. So make sure you are logged into the email that you want to send emails from. And let's give this project a name, emailer video. Yeah, let's just call it mailer video. And then I'm going to give the function name to be um send emails. You can call it the same thing, it doesn't really matter. I'm just trying to make this easy for us. Uh, so now I'll make, like I previously mentioned, I'll make the script available for you in a easy way that you can copy paste it. It'll probably be a document. So yeah, I just copy pasted the function here. Now, I did mention how this function particularly works. So we are ready with our sheet and our emails and our email body and the subject and the recipient's names, which is going to be dynamic. And let me just close the old one so that I don't get myself confused. So we have the emailer for the video and mailer video. And you also need to make sure that you added whatever file that you want to send via this email to all the users into your particular drive that this email is going to use, or the drive of this particular email. So mine is this particular email, sorry, mine is this particular file name. So it's fetching the file via its name. So make sure you give the file a unique name, that way the uh, script can easily identify it. um, so yeah, I think that is basically it. Let's now see what happens when you click on run. Make sure you selected, it has selected the function that is over here, send emails function, and then you click on run. Now, when you click on run, something very important appears. You're supposed to allow or give your script permissions for it to run, because it's going to access your drive. It's going to send emails as you, I mean, as a person that is you, and it's going to do something else also. Let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, edit the sheet, because it's going to add email sent. So let's review. You're going to click the email that you are going to that you are in, obviously, and this will appear. Do not worry, just click on advance and go to email a video, because the reason you're doing this is because you are the person who created the script and you are aware that it's not going to do anything harmful to your device and whatnot. So just click go ahead with unsafe, and then these are the permissions you will allow. So you're allowing it to access Google Drive files, you're allowing it to see, edit, create, and delete sheets, and you're allowing it to send email as you. So select all and continue. And yeah, so the execution has started. You can go to your sheet. You can see how the status is getting updated, and you can also see the message that says all emails sent. The last one is yet to get updated. That has updated too. There you go. Now this was you running the script from the script editor itself. We didn't assign the script to the button. So if we were to assign the script to the button, you will have to right click it so that you select the button, and then click on the three dots, assign a script, and assign the name of the function. Yeah, name of the function, because remember we selected the function when when we had to run the function. Yeah, so make sure you copy the function name and paste it and press OK. So now when you click the button once, when you left click the button once, the script will execute. So let's make sure we delete these. Oh, my apologies, I couldn't show you the emails. So this is a temporary email that I used using this online tool, and you can take a look at all the emails that this particular person has received. So you can see how the recipient name is customized, the subject name, and also the email that was used to send, and all of that. Uh, yeah, this is a temporary email, so it will take some time for you to appear. This is just an example, so do not worry in terms of using it with actual emails. I didn't want to use an actual email. Instead, I wanted to use a temporary email. That is why I went ahead with this particular tool. So yeah, now that we've assigned it to an actual button, let's go ahead and click it. Before that, let's remove the email sent status so that we can obviously monitor. You can see how it's running script. You can dismiss that. And you can observe how the status will start getting updated one by one. And we are done. Waiting for the last one. Yes, there we go. And it says finish script 2. So yeah, with that, I think and I believe that I have shown you how to do a mail merge or how to send bulk emails completely free, completely I mean easy and very straightforward. And like I mentioned, I'll make the script available for you so you can just copy paste it. And do drop in the questions that you would want to know the answers to. Um and all the best with whatever you have to do. So don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and as usual, tell me anything that you want to say in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now, and have a nice day.